Which point lies on the line segment AB, where A corresponds to 1, 1 and B corresponds to 2, -3 are the two given points, and D is a point on AB when AB is produced such that AD is 3 times the length of AB. Let's try to first understand the problem graphically. So here we have 2 points, point A and point B. So point A has the coordinates 1, 1, and we have point B with the coordinates 2, -3. Let's join the 2 points with the help of a straight line. So with that, we get the line segment AB. Now it's given here that D is a point on AB produced. That means we need to produce AB, and there's a particular point D on this line segment such that AD, the length of AD is given that this is 3 times the length of AB, which means that we have AD to that of AB. So that is the ratio 3:1. So here we have AD, so this is 3, and AB, so this is the ratio 1, which can tell us that BD, that's the ratio 2. Fine. Now clearly, we can see here, we can from this particular information, so from here we can also say that AB to that of BD, so this is going to be equals to the ratio 3:2, or we can say that D divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:2. So what we can do, we can use the external section formula. All we have to do is take 3 and multiply with B, and 2 will now get multiplied with A. So let's apply the external section formula to obtain the coordinates of point D. So D will be, to find out the x coordinate, we'll take 3 and multiply it with the x coordinate of B. So that's 6. And then we take 2 and multiply with the x coordinate of A, so that's 1. Since it's an external section formula, so we'll have to subtract from it 2. Divided by 3 minus 2, that's the difference of the ratios. And to find out the y coordinate, we take 3 and multiply it with -3 to get -9. Then we'll do subtraction. Here we have 2 times 1. So that's -9 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2. So solving for D, we get 6 minus 2, that's going to be 4. 4 divided by 3 minus 2, that's 1. So we have the x coordinate as 4. Then the y coordinate, so that's -9 minus 2, that's going to be -11. So 3 minus 2, that's 1. So that means option A is going to be the correct answer.